is that 2011 Impreza we're working on. Demonstrate the door handle. This door handle right here. Pull this out. There's a T30 right here. You can give this guy some pressure on the outside if you wanted to. If you can't hold on to it, just boom. Come inside the door though. You gotta peel this stuff back. There's a yellow. Let me pull it out and I'll show you guys. This isn't that door. You can't really see it that well, but when you peel that thing in the back, inside the door, there's a little rod that goes into here, and then this thing slides and holds the rod from popping out. You have to first pop this, push right here, pull this open, pull the rod out, and then when you pull this out from here, it comes out with no problem. If you want to rekey your cylinder or something like that. After that, this thing just needs to slide out this way, pull this way, and the door handle is here. It's out. If you want to paint the door, do whatever you want to do, here it is. I'll show you how to take this off, but I gotta have the window down without destroying the molding. And I'm gonna destroy the molding, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh crap, locked myself out of the car. Ah, the rear door works pretty good.